Hi everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to exit safe mode in Windows. The easiest way to exit safe mode in Windows is to simply restart your computer. You click on the start button, click the power button and click on restart. Windows should then boot normally, exiting safe mode. If you're still in safe mode after restarting, then you can open the system configuration by pressing the Windows key plus the R key. Then type msconfig and press enter. Next, go to the boot tab, and uncheck the save boot option. Click apply and then OK. Then restart your computer. This will disable safe mode and allow Windows to boot normally. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.